Welcome to the channel. In this video, we give you some essential tips and strategies for succeeding in the IELTS reading paper. Well, here are some essential tips and advice for the IELTS reading paper and how to answer the questions effectively. 1. Understand the test format. The IELTS reading test consists of 40 questions and 3 reading passages. The passages are of increasing difficulty. You will be given 60 minutes to complete the test, and there are no extra minutes for transferring your answers. Be sure to write them directly on the answer sheet. 2. Skim and scan. Skimming. Quickly read through the passage to get the main idea. Focus on headings, subheadings, the first and last sentences of each paragraph, and any keywords. Scanning. Look for specific information such as names, dates, or numbers. Use this method when answering factual questions that require finding details quickly. 3. Time management. You only have 20 minutes per passage, so it's essential to manage your time well. Don't spend too long on any one question. If you're stuck, move on and come back to it later if you have time. 4. Understand the types of questions. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. These require careful reading of the passage and understanding of each option. Eliminate answers that are clearly wrong to narrow down your options. True or false for not given. Read the statements carefully. O. True, if the statement matches the information in the text. O. False, if it contradicts the information in the text. O. Not given, if the information is not mentioned at all. Matching headings. Skim through the passage to get a sense of each paragraph, then match the headings to the paragraphs based on the main idea. Summary completion. Identify the keywords in the summary and locate that part in the passage. Use context clues to find the correct words for filling in the gaps. Sentence completion. Like summary completion, find the appropriate sentence in the passage and use it to finish the sentence logically. 5. Look for synonyms and paraphrasing. IELTS reading questions often don't use the exact same words from the passage. Instead, they paraphrase or use synonyms. Learn to recognize how ideas are expressed in different ways. Practice paraphrasing to improve your ability to spot the same ideas in different words. 6. Focus on keywords. In every question, identify keywords and phrases that are crucial to the meaning. Then locate those keywords, or synonyms of them, in the passage to find the correct answer. Use headings, subheadings, and bold or italic text as clues for locating important information. 7. Don't read every word. Reading every word is a common mistake. Instead, focus on finding specific information or answering particular questions. This will save you time and help you navigate through difficult passages more effectively. 8. Practice predicting answers. Sometimes, after reading the question, you can predict what the answer might be based on your knowledge of the passage. This works particularly well for completion-type questions. 9. Check grammar for fill-in-the-blanks. For fill-in-the-blank questions, ensure the word you choose fits grammatically within the sentence. Incorrect grammar might mean your answer is wrong, even if the word itself seems right. 10. Develop reading speed. The reading passages are often long and challenging, so practice reading quickly and efficiently without losing comprehension. Use practice tests and time yourself to improve both speed and accuracy. Best ways to answer IELTS reading paper questions. 1. Understand the question type. Analyze what type of question you're dealing with, whether it's multiple choice, true or false or not given, or matching headings. Each type requires a different strategy. 2. Find answers in the text. Don't rely on your general knowledge. All answers must come from the passage. If you can't find the answer, it might be a not given response. 3. Be cautious of traps. the test may use misleading options or tricky wording. For example, 2 answers may seem correct, but only one is supported by the passage. 4. Be aware of distractors. Some passages include extra information that looks like the answer but isn't. Stick closely to what the question asks for and avoid falling for distractors. 5. Transfer answers carefully. Ensure you transfer answers accurately to the answer sheet, paying attention to spelling and grammatical accuracy where required. By practicing these techniques, you will be better prepared to tackle the IELTS reading paper effectively. Regular practice with sample papers is also essential to get used to the format and improve both speed and comprehension. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your studies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful.